Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to download and create an account in Threads. The first thing you need to do is to log in to the App Store or Play Store. Once here, you will go to search and type Threads, as you can see on the screen. Now you will see several applications, but you will have to look for the one that says Threads and Instagram app, as you can see here. It has this symbol that looks like an @sync. Now you will download the app and then it will appear in your applications library. You will tap there, and now if you have your Instagram account login, it will appear right here. If you want to switch accounts, you'll go to the bottom and press here. And here you will get the accounts that you're logged into on Instagram. If you want to add another account, go to where it says log into another Instagram account and you will type in the username, mobile or email, and the password. You can only log into this app by having an Instagram account created. So you will simply click on your account and start creating it. Here you'll be able to write your name, presentation, you can put a link and a photo, or you will simply go to import from Instagram. This will copy everything you already have in your profile. Then you will go to next, and here you can choose if you want to have a public or private profile, and then go to next. Here you will be able to follow other people you already follow on Instagram. And here it will explain a little bit about how Threads works, and then you will go to join Threads. And now, as you can see, your account will be created. Basically, Threads is a platform where you post a text status, whether it's a tag or whatever you want to write. And you can also post photos and videos. To post something, you will go to the bottom where there is a box with a line through it. Here you can write whatever you want and attach something to the symbol. It will take you to your gallery. And then just tap on publish. Depending on the privacy you have set, your account will be public or private, which means only your followers can see your posts. And that's how easy it is to create your account. That's it, guys. I hope it has been useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.